Tien watie budget conference Pagé division ya yom mater areda. Machalo LC1 Melem South Cell. Aneno gin ma Pagé division tika timonene Pierre ter areda. Aneno gukati ki priorities magin yo bukero lim. Kimo kene mapego bukero lim. Kono gen magen ge utimo ni ruate tutwal kingo machalo wan lotela ping ki luak mamekwa waneno pian watimo machalo cells kada ko ward kadon ke prioritizing atamo ni kit magen ge tika timo ne kere tima miero tutwal pian ko bedni wan wangeo yo mene mabotwa onyo yo mene matie cells mokene ma Pagé obutiye kidong mere ma pego butiye donc enni bimiyo igi kare ki municipal ka chelo menena ne gen gi lobbying pe chante enni wek yo ki jame mo kenani utine maker gi peramo an kono nya filda fiona kwero patie chalo LC1 keken atie bene la wang partners mo kene dul ma pejenge kom gamente afoy tutwal town clerk CDO KLC3 mi Pagé me paro piwa ni omier wanywak tij la ka chelo donc gin matika time enene pire terare da pien ka wan weng wabiro ka chelo waneno ngo ma Pagé ramo timone diri maja gi chwale municipal ki municipal bene municipal bi kwanyo ma meggi gibi neno ne ngo ma gen gi ramo timone tigi bi duake wa report pi jammi ma limpe pire donc enene konyo watutwal wekpe wa duplicating teach Pagé pien partners tie mokene gitika timo teach maroma eno ka wan watigi kero meneno ne kiti enene mini wabene kero pemetiu teach malo what wano tiu an enene nyura tini Pagé division tika teach ka chelo gi partners ana foy tutwal
Anya Abala Vincent Kalule atie won commercial melemo bonle which is cell matie Greenland ward Pagé division kitgu municipality machala won kom melemo east me achela foyo ka chore matine pian mukane naga maki kero chane kero no pepe ke miyo kare dano ke miyo tamgi enta foyo ne ini ki ni miara wan wa il chingo mi tamwa donc priorities me cell chunya foyo ne tin olotoki mina kare me wacho ne me achiel gin ma wan wari kere matek tutwal ma wan po no ene guri uri tutwal lemo izmano guri pere gien gubino gutimo ento timo nene pe o ma satisfying mir pa community pian community en mana logoni te area ma pol ma bena pegi timo pegging ayolo tie kamo kana makitimo pegging ento pekitimo pegging ma kon ke gamo tampa community ma community gien gi peki yeo no dak meta ni miara kit go community ka kitim repegging mono eno ni tie ikin gien ma miaro time kamo kana kitimo opening shipping pakitimo kamo kana kitimo shipping mana nok no time areas mugo ki ka kamo kana bena meta calverts ma miar gi ket ka mugo mano ka lele ki pi tika yelo ne ento ben foot wang to time mana tam ni tin kano ana wajo ka kiromo pushing were ki pushing wake team ki dong bana area melemo east tie area ma diet tie poko sel wajo pier ni mirgi pore eno ni bana wajo wachini kano mieta ni sel mirgi pore pe obet interest pangera chel ma eno go mape pier kane miero go community e mier gen go chim sel maki poro ni mone ni wot kika kwana eno ni no rwate lok mu kane matam ni bana miera waje ene lok me maj tie team ma ubino ma office pa mea uchalo i office ma mega gen gu woro ana woro kedi gu woro dog out ma kon ge wene gen gi be kilo maj menono maj gen ma wigi oregi obetima ye gen gi betima wiring keken eto no gen gi kilo maj magi tano i dog out ana gine ano do chalo kare ma don mwaga be ki due mugo ma joni pegu dugu gu timo gine ano ni wero akeru penya ni ano no beru ni kita tien ka chaka tieni kero pa tim matiene gen gi ramo chalo ko eno ni joni eno gen go binu tiak tigi magu gire ken yoni unyuni ning mono gen ma presenting
road opening pen yo pe we don lo pen nan to 12 board wa king kado a ke kenyo miero street light bino no yo tie so pero en aneno ti area ma mega ma kache jame ne tie ma be we la kit pete thing chalo kuo gi nga gi ne pe binen ban ka tek street light pe yo ben kon ka pe dalo ben pe kombiri dano diga gwara o ki chuk ma maglwani chuka mon don area ma mega kenyo gi chiara street ka chat dano chiara street to twale along highway ka chat ino kama gi chiara gwan ma diak kombiri dano mi chuka mon don weng gutware o gitiwe iye kitian lo ka chiel ni chuk pere yo ma connecting dano mi chiara chuk pere atamo en neno ma tika nena yon ma chala tela ipeng kuno aneno pere eno
Comme dit tout le chuk pa mondon ena ye yo petie it is a landlock yo mo bepe en watam ni chaman gok yo ni en kagi puro ma agite booster ki mon mangol don itangi ni kadong donyo dong chira dong por yo ma chira la met cha gene church ni en kano gi yabi yo eno no twer konyo ko wa be mada ma ono angeyo ni oluto tweru ke la loka ichuka mondon ki dok bene jo magen go gedo ka kenyu chonni udi mo kene pe utum mabe manuni kot ka tika chwe wi ot tika chwe manu balo jempo jo mo kene o balo chempo jo mo kene o manu gin go kele me achara kenyu man ena ye peko mati eno peko ma diddo mala udu jo ena ilo ka yo pien yo mon ma miyo no ge bagi nge chuke noni o chet o karigang lokol gin ene pe otime endo dano kwanya lielo dano kwanya je mapolo endo gin ene pe otime yo matok ginyim tangini dano ka kenyu dano ti ie ento yo ne pegi pur ma ko medical mor ka mati di pera mon wegi kenyu man ena ye git peko ma dit ma wote kanene ye yul south man ena ye peko ma ta mira wachi weklo keni ka ge twero konyo ko wa mir ge konyo ko wa
tin wo bino ka chakma luon ke division menano the division ranking kinwa ke borwa ke ward kitung bot an gen ma neno cha pa ranking ma division timu be ja ke kwani gen Greenland gen ma ti bor ma tek ma ka wa ke malo na ma chelo be lok me yo o be lok me yo ma mir ke mer ke tuchu yo Greenland lok me ario ko be ko yo me ke tuju ne kalbat pe ka kor chue no pi mol ma gen yo ka mo kan ko wo me ade ko bero yo mo ma klele pe mo ma be kalbat installation ma na no go ranking ma be to al e budget for France ma ge me angwen ma wiya po ye eno be loko match kamar ngi yo ki tuju kar ko ye yu kar no da me to match kena inside me loko we nyo mati lemo east kino chol do twal go di wono lok mosquito yelo wan da ke tung pa do le lemo west o me lok me match lok me pi me agike wa loko total me adwa forge board division e lok me land title me el santa 3 page division ki headquarter mege ke ma win kon ko mo wayne pe ka sabera chiel no land title to wa ko mano be lok yum ci me tek ki lok me la buja market me ke yob stall ke set wa re uluto gin en ron rai ki wan chante kilutan division ana ta ranking ma page division ka ti ma be total Korondo kere bit ko meno luorna brutie unfounded priority jema mi ke temte chana pere ye manda lego page division council ne go forwarding the go to ale kid municipal council kidong developing partners mageram ko kamo kana we agnana wa financial year in otuma be
tin wati page division budget conference Anya Mon Agnes, area councillor Dek me Greenland. Budget conference wa chakama be priority na machel ubero long me yupo el center. Kidong mo kaya long me fonye matika ward ma be kikane pol aids of departments chalo we 8 teachers me government aided school. Kom guberu pe mano kemero wachigi ngo ma watika budgeting pi schools ka chela chel eno kede bet kumeno fodwa bitute matek me reaching school ge wego nge mabe ana foye matek budget conference watika won mabe obitumbe mabe gama wa mo wa bitime mabe foye
budget conference chake maber ma malupe ki big lim magi kero bi priorities mapapat makwako kitano don lo mpage miru bet kede achwalo foj matek ball teach me page new technical staff kita waneno funded priorities magukero waneno kukero chenne i budget mamegi i don lo mapapat ma chel aneno kukero lok me neno ni kiyapo kiwilo des i schools mapapat la bole Kitgum Boys Kitgum demonstration ma chal an la tela ma ai tung side me page aneno meno bero plan mabe piano waneno ni wati ilo kwan nyorome kwan mirdong e kabero me page timabe Mario aneno kukero log me tiego kero me market shade la bole ke na log me biachara ene yu achel ma council me page kago kero yupo market stall and shade ila Buja market chubi nyayo kero mena ne lim magengi no chal local race miyo bene konyo don lo mapat me division meno don bien bene wero activities ma council no mero team nyomok ma meg mapat pe biekli me mwagani bien woneno tichena mukene ma ke local race mano karu kene pegi chwalo gi central government chimiyo don lo erben woro ikin ginu kene maneno ukero ni neno beru tie bene ni priorities men number deck enni makwao log me goy plan makwao health center 3 make neno page division go wilo ngom eno ngom mag wilo ginano rem ene log me titling chi de titling process utum chi wadonge gina chel maneno kukero enni yupo BOQ BOQ mano plan mapapat pidon lo mano health center ni mero je mari tieno waki geri wheelchair ne ubin kere tikumeno kidong neno ni plan bene ki yupo me health center erni mena neno ginu kene ben matima be mera fo bene lu teach erni kigenu kene mo neno ku kero ene makwa log me nongo kangom for slaughter slab bien ke neno kwa me town ujenge log me charo wil chiman eni bene slaughter slab kage ko ke yobo e pongduon kamano ko tamne meru berie bikonyo lu char wil mamegwa mena ni biachar makamegi wor mabe kibene bikonyo bene division mena ni muchor be magino bene olo bene nya kimiyo don lo mapat bene bino kidong mira nen e tung part me unfunded priorities ma kutrama chalgen division ke orgi peramo bien ke neno li ma aki central government li meti manok totale DDG mati 46 million ke kan ki unconditional grant mati 27 million ma peramo ti mu kan ma papat chiko tamni ki chwal bene dwan gi board development partners the municipal councils ke NGOs ma papat mu kan mati kin pin wa alis katware kitiel kogi unfunded priorities maneno timabe any log me gudi road network system tutwale pageno pitima be tutwal chik beno ko tamni ki ker meli ma gino manok chi gi twal ner ma megi weke kon ko gi lim weke yap yo ma papat magen ko tamni meru betie ikine yo keneno yo ma connecting Nyanza Pongdong Ward, that's Nyanza to Laditi Gukari plan. Then from Lemo East to Chukaben, Lamit Kapim North, Yul South, Ki Kaber Mukane ma kitamni kagatim assessment gino timaraj, Merki Kon ki yubyo erni, bed mabe, Kon kupudano gichok, ki gankwan, Kon bene kupudano, ki kaber mabapat. Miu bene wele ka bini town mamegwa kino yo timabe. Man yurni don loboti kaber mamegwa. Tamni neno erbe timabe mago chwalo. Ay kine bene ti log me yorkom log me gankwan ko tamni bene schools mukane mano ke rugi peramo gutune cha log me renovation of classes wanena chelo beri Kitgum Boys ki Kitgum Demonstration Primary School ma bene taking unfunded priorities ma pipe palim chiu tam ni ku chwal ki ti don lobu kikenu kana mo neno ma Keropa division ai budget conference man no pegram timne ene log madog lokom match service match ki log me pi ene bana neno Kerochal division kli magino paramo konyu wekoni ki chwal pi pin bola tedero wek mene ku bet gi services kita budlo Uganda mukane beru kede chumi yo bena neno mabe ci duru ben ko chwal about development partners ka chel ki ket municipal at large kagiramo kubuge office po meme national water wek alis ki chwal pi chok dano wek dano ku bet ki ko mayot makwa lok me don lo bonyo lok me pi ki match ma mer gen ku bet kede.
Our main priority areas have been categorized into two: the funded and the unfunded. The funded priorities means these are priorities which are key in the community, and the division herself can support with finances to have it implemented in that very financial year. Then the unfunded priorities are the needs which have been prioritized by the communities, the division also, but the resource basket of the division does not allow. So just allow me to read out the funded priorities that we have. They are just 5 in numbers. The funded priorities are acquisition of health center 3, building plan, and processing the BOQ for the health center 3. The second priority is construction of market stores and market sheds for the identified market, which is Labuje in Lemo East. We have the third one as supply of desks to schools. Here in this we have identified all the 4 primary headed government schools which are in Pagai division. We hopeful in this coming financial year we are going to support them with this desk for their schools to improve on their sitting facilities. The fourth is acquisition of land for slaughter slab, which hopefully is going to come from Pongduo ward. And the last among the funded priorities is acquisition of motorcycle for that division. This is to help in coordination and monitoring of all the many government programs that we have. Then talking about the unfunded priorities, at least there are 9. These ones are the ones that our resource baskets cannot handle, and besides we also have some technical guidance from our municipal. The first on the list of unfunded priorities is road construction. We have many identified places that roads have to be open. There are so many cells, there are so many wards which we don't have access roads, and the people are really getting blocked. So technical advice came from municipal that there is enough money in this financial year with them. So as a division, we don't need to allocate any money for road construction, and that is entirely going to come from municipal. So when the time comes, they'll come and seek directives on the different locations that have been identified by our dear committee. Besides, following that is acquisition of land title for the division headquarters. The third is construction of school latrines in Kidum Girls Demonstration and Kidum Primary School. Number 4 is renovation of classroom blocks in Kidum Girls and Kidum Demonstration Primary School. The 5th is construction of staff houses in Demonstration and Kidum Girls Primary Schools. The 6th is community hall, acquisition of community hall or community youth center. We need to construct a community hall because as a department that I head, that is a very key department that really comes to build our future tomorrow, because we know very well the youth are the future leaders tomorrow. So they need to live productively with good guidance. So we need to institute this youth center to come with all the benefits that we call it youth-friendly services, so that they can direct their energies in the right way. The 7th is fencing of our division headquarters, just like you're seeing me. Our division is really not fenced. We are so exposed. Any risk can really happen. So we feel that really in the near future, this should be supported and we get it fenced for better security and administration of that place. The The second last is advocacy for supply of water to our division. This entirely doesn't come from division, but this we do advocacy to National Water and Sewerage Corporation. Then the last one, which is also very key, which is unfunded, is extension of electricity supply to all the locations within our division. This we take it to Uganda Electricity, or we can locally call it Omeme. These are really our funded and unfunded priority, and they're the ones that are directing our IPFs. That's the indicative planning figures that we are here discussing at the budget conference. Thanks so much.
Wachira kati mgina kiloni budget conference. Budget conference kachoke magwar lutela mapat new stakeholders duju mati bedu division new council money magibino chiki nywago tam kilwa kichero ki porlo non lo ka chaka kitedero kichaka penyo tam padano ikum ngo mati chelo pera pa dul money makilwo le money need assessment kake aki village new cells kido ke kobe kicheri Paris ke gwol wak me Paris lo me Paris chel do ka chaka ribo peroge ni wan ma chel Paris ba kin peri maramo pier de ini wan en chela pero eni idon pero mo kwa chin do Paris priority kada ko bino wa chel wa setting do level me division do wa ranking compare ma papa mo no ki adul ma papa ti ci wa luoni division priority ka wa men dan do nge gina wan wa bir dogni ci wa gor dog dan eni igina wa luoni budget conference ma en tintika ti me ni ci do wa tiro ke luak ci do wa miyo kar ke luak don penyu la pen ma pat pienti leb mo kene ma mon luoni ti technical ma dan meta der no pen yang mabe en ka ini penyum technical passions aid of departments ki members matom to ki ngej me gam loke no tie ci do wa bir ka gam loke ke luak en gino wa tin watika tim gina no ni ikin giti lo ka chiel ma pere tek ma yelo wi dan twal ka wa tor jemni weng jema watiki chieling mo waromo no chieling me kerneti waluogi ni funded priority mano budget chero mago kaka ma chieling badong dog pe ma chieling jaba dong dog pe ma po ker elim kilwoni unfunded priority kile mono te lo ne per ge tek ko bi eno chiene meti ne put pe en ko ndo ket kenyu gogla be kid mo ngole won li mama rom tim tijmo ci wa nyuni in kay mer ko nyawan ba nen perwa en inde tiye en down tam ne kay unfunded no ki we gine per petek da po ker jel gin ma petek en limpia no for example in la pu me go plan ki gang e miro pero puli mwani e miro be pero mwanyi e miro be pero mushele e miro pero gima ne eno kainen ko di mushele yo ko ndonge meti kere oni ci we mushele do priority lo me pero mwanyi don ko be unfunded kam wa ma no kero ci de bi ci pero mwanyi beti lo ino pe miro fan mwanyi pero mwanyi beti budget so lo me unfunded ko men ki priority wati department ma pat weng department ma shel community pero ma chala page division pour watiki chok min guri wa put peti moramo wa yele wa pour guri area mo mana nok eno kabere mo kene pour dong la boy guri pour wa roma ki gankal tel rom ki kabere mo kene for example kay chedi pong duon Paris area makil wona nyanya guri mati kunuti percent less than 15% manyurne up to 85% of that area put without road ci wa ker ne yo tigi na pete amir wa kubi committee noni en mano don tie cutting across kabir ma papa chala midnorth game ayul a south ki kabir mo kene lemo is mon lo comme yo lo mo kene ma rewa chirka ne lo me production e production me achili page ngeni wa tiki shilling manok kidmeti tika yilewan kay por ki division ario mo kene ni ci wa taw ne we wa yil kerwa gin mandui wa doni revenue enhancement planning kibe no wa chwalo services bolwak wa bi yobu chuk waloni market stalls wa bi yobu ila buje chuk market madam ma watika tiro title do atira ne kama yubo enoni monti in that department wa bi kerlo me market stall kama chile health sector health pinmi wanen sector ka chile weng health sector wa bi ka yubo watika go plan kiloni architectural drawing me gero enoni kila building plan nen kere ma plan wa no standard ki ministry eno mir wanen ne wa no engineer wa o costing ki ket bio ki ki donc ket plan ki warbet kama leng eno ke wa kero echiling chido wa wa kad la be kirmo la metti mo don lobo don ne ko me don tie wan do yu paye eno bino konyo wan men in the L sector on top of the titles ma watika tima kwaya ma don so far watiro ni kawa chile education sector watiki lok tima pola da or kwan gang kwan weng wa peke ore kalo fonye tiga lacking school ma papa weng watiki des ma tiga lacking ore me karo ko pilotina nyera lok or me lo ba pa nyera ikar mano gwa inu ngeo ka ke wajiku men no nyang eni pege eno pien wa peke lim Polini when wakero ana what we call unfunded priority. Gino wakero tell priority mati funded and wa ministry supply of desk to different schools. Kero wa mia bija bij, kero wa mia dega dek. Taka wakero. That is what our capacity is. Chi ene gine tikumeno is school, is department of education. Department of environment ki yotkom wabi mediki lok mecho yugiwa garbage management is sila waki wa mediki team ti janoni.